Hi, my name is Harish and I belongs to AAML team. And my project title is Automation of WordPress Post Publication using AI Tools. Overview of the presentation. Train SEO model with keyword data. This process involves preparing your data, selecting and setting up a model, training the model, and evaluating its performance. Our main goal is to develop an AI model which can generate SEO contents. And next one is fine tuning. Fine tuning a keyword generation model is very crucial task in ML, which allows us to adapt to pre-trained model to perform better on specific data sets. Fine tuning is a process of taking a model from which has been already trained with larger data sets and then training with smaller specific data sets to get particular specific results. And next one is we provided in detailed guidance on how to test the SEO models keywords suggestion with sample data. The aim is to critically evaluate the performance of the model through its ability to analyze and relevance and consistent data on the different prompts. And next one is the project is involves the deployment of the SEO keyword generation model into a web application environment. The model is trained using GPT-2 is capable of generating SEO keywords based on user inputs, and the model is associated with code and we have developed and saved locally. And the next step is to provide these resources to the web development tool for the integration. The integration process will involve loading the model from the provided results folder and setting up the necessary environments with required dependencies and incorporating the model into backend of the website application. And the SEO optimization model mainly aims to create a tool that enhance web content to be more specific, search engine specific friendly, and by leveraging a pre-trained model such as GPT-2, the project mainly focuses on transferring existing text into content that align with better SEO best practice. The model is tr- trained on pairs of unoptimized and optimized text, learning to recognize and generate text that will perform better in search engine rankings. The idea is to create a tool that content creators can use it to automatically improve their content accessibility and engagement and search engine performance. Objective for executing the training script and monitoring training loss and save model checkpoints from the model train. The model will be evaluated how well it performs based on the user inputs, and we can measure using a simple text and quantitative assessment to check whether the generated contents are very relevant. This process will help our model to use its general language understanding and become more specialized with generating contents as per user requirements. Pre-trained models are very good in generating contents, but they can't able to perform very well with specific tasks. Based on our training or based on our testing, our AI model can generate different types of SEO keywords as per our user group, but still the results aren't 100% accurate because we didn't train our model with larger data sets. To train with larger data sets, we require more computational resources and time to improve the results. The objective is to successfully integrate the SEO keyword generator model, which has been developed and trained on a personal laptop into a web application. The model is intended to generate SEO keyword based on user inputs, and its integration will allow end users to access the functionality directly through the website. And next one is assign task. Train SEO model with keyword data. Train SEO model keyword generation model. This process involves in preparing the data and selecting and setting up a model. The training the model and evaluating its performance. Our main goal is to develop a model which can generate blog posts, articles, and social media posts. And next one is finding the SEO optimization model. SEO Finding SEO optimization model is a very crucial task in ML which allows us to adapt a pre-trained model to perform better on specific data set. Fine-tuning is a process of taking a model which has been already trained with larger data sets and then training smaller and specific data sets. And next one is test the SEO keyword models suggestions. We provided in detailed guidelines like how to evaluate the SEO keyword generation models with sample data. And the aim is to critically to evaluate the performance of the model through its ability to analyze relevant and consistent data based on the different user prompts. And next one is integrate the SEO model into the system. We developed an SEO keyword model and we have a capable to generate different types of keyword contents as per user requirements, and I have shared the details of code and folder like how to install it. By following the steps we could integrate our model anywhere. And next one is document the SEO model workflow. We developed an SEO keyword model which demonstrates a fully fledged workflow from the gathering datasets to fine-tune the model, ensuring its robust and scalable approach by for content automation by using GPT-2 model and fine-tuning specific datasets. Our model is scalable and efficient and capable to generate various contents based on the different inputs. And next one is accomplishments. The SEO optimization model project mainly aims to create a tool that enhance web content to be more search engine friendly by leveraging a pre-trained language model like GPT-2. The model project focus on transferring existing text into content that aligns with better SEO practices. The main challenge I face is computational resource. We require a powerful PC to pre-process and train a model. To pre-process each dataset takes more time and it can't able to complete it as earlier. During training, I couldn't able to train my model with my basic laptop as it take more time to train with simple datasets. So far, so I have trained my model with smaller datasets. However, model can able to generate output. Conclusion: the model is highly customizable and allowing for adjustment based on specific requirements. And this adaptability makes it suitable for various industries and content types. The implementation of data splitting and evaluation techniques ensures that the model is trained more datasets to perform and accurately eye with content generation. Meanwhile, our current model performs very well, and we need to focus on future improvements such as integrating more advanced AI tools to increase the content quality. Thank you.